Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Distinguished guests, fellow leaders, and sisters in business. It is an honor for me to stand before a room that represents the future of economic landscape, our economic landscape. The relationship between Azerbaijan and Pakistan is not merely diplomatic. It is a bond forged at the highest levels, politically, militarily, and through deep humanitarian ties. We are brothers and sisters in history and love. However, we must be honest, while our hearts are aligned, our trade balance has yet to match our immense shared potential. We are no longer just talking about potential, we are taking decisive action. To bridge the trade gap, Azerbaijan has committed a $2 billion investment by my President, His Excellency Ilham Aliyev, during his last state visit to Pakistan for the economically viable projects in the economy of Pakistan. In 2025, we established the Azerbaijan-Pakistan Chamber of Trade and Industry in Islamabad and Azerbaijan Trade House in Lahore. These are not just buildings, they are your homes for business growth. Just for your information, we reciprocated to the historical step which happened 600 years ago by Multani business peoples, trade peoples, when they established Multani Caravanserai in Baku 600 years ago. The results are already showing. Last year, our trade turnover reached almost 100 million. Just for information, the number was 5 years ago around 10 million US dollars. And tourism is booming. The year before, it was 80,000 visitors from Pakistan for discovering Azerbaijan. Last year, our estimation is more than 90,000. With direct flights from Lahore by one PIA, three by Azerbaijan Airlines, and from Islamabad, 3 flights from Azerbaijan Airlines, which inshallah will be added one more in the coming 2 months. The distance between Baku and Pakistan has never been such a short. As businesswomen, you should know that you stand on a foundation of historical strength. Just for your knowledge, in 1918, almost more than 100 years ago, Azerbaijan became one of the first countries in the world to grant women the right to vote, even before some European countries, being Muslim countries. Today, independent Azerbaijan ensures freedom and rights for every citizen, regardless of race and religion. This is reflected in our leadership also. 26 out of the 125 seats in Azerbaijan parliaments are held by women. And over 40% of our diplomatic corps are women. Our business sector is equally vibrant with female talent. We are inspired by giants. Pakistan gave the Muslim world its first female prime minister, Muhtarma Benazir Bhutto. Similarly, the president of Haydar Aliyev Foundation, Mehriban Aliyeva, whose humanitarian work in Pakistan is well known, stands as a global icon of influence and grace. To the Azerbaijani and Pakistani businesswomen in this room, you are the missing piece of our economic puzzle. Your innovation, your networks, and your grit will be the fuel that drives our trade turnover from millions to billions, inshallah. I wish you all immense success in your ventures. I'm confident that the female entrepreneurs of our 2 nations will not only grow their own business, but will be the architects of a new prosperous era for Pakistan-Azerbaijan relations. Azerbaijan, Pakistan dost izinde var. Thank you for your attention.